Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing and review of the Royalsellpro Electric Can Opener. This is an electric one-touch can opener that you can currently get on Amazon for about $24. The main feature of this is that it really will have one button that'll automatically allow you to open cans with the ease of without having to use a manual or larger electric can opener. And so what we'll do is we'll just go over the packaging, take this out, throw the batteries in, and then test it on opening up an actual can. As always, if you're interested in potentially purchasing this, there will be links below. But we'll get started. So for this company, it's going to be Royalsellpro. They currently have a listing on Amazon for about $24 for this. It says that it works for almost all cans. Opens cans with one push of a button. It's hands-free, smooth edge, and safe as far as the edges. And it's a good gift idea for those you love. On the side here, there's some general features of it. Nothing too crazy there. Says read the user manual before doing that, and then says it's hassle-free service, so they have a QR code and you can always reach out if you run into any issues. As far as instructions, it says place opener and onto the edge of the can and press to start, open the tin automatically, and then press to stop and remove the lid. So it's pretty straightforward there. Now what we'll do is we'll get this open and get it out of the actual box. Okay, so here's everything that comes in the box. You have the actual can opener. You have an instruction manual that gives you general instructions on how to put the batteries in, then how to actually use the can opener. Easy diagrams there, which is pretty straightforward from that standpoint. And then here's the actual can opener itself. And so it's a decent sized product. So if you look at it, it's about this size as far as everything, a little bit bigger than I anticipated. However, it does look like it would sit on pretty much the size of normal size cans as far as being able to function from that standpoint. As far as the general design, it has this gray kind of outside start stop button, and then there's going to be a pouch here to actually put the batteries in. We'll walk through that. So to start, press and hold button for 2 seconds. Stop, not stop, it doesn't stop automatically. You have to press to stop, and push down to change the batteries. So what we do here is, this is the battery pouch here. Unfortunately, this does take 4 AA batteries, which is a good decent size amount of batteries. So just keep that in mind. So if you don't want to use something that's battery operated, you can always look at an alternative or look at something that plugs in the wall. The nice part about this is hopefully that once you have the batteries in, really these should last for a decent amount of time before you have to get them replaced. Sorry, I just put that one in a little bit lopsided there, and then this one's like this. And so that's all you have to do as far as putting the actual batteries in, and then it snaps into place. And then I'm gonna actually peel off this label. So this is what the battery thing, or the actual can opener, looks like. And we're gonna press this, so it does start automatically, and this is the mechanism here, so it'll rotate around and cut the edge there. And then when you press stop, it pulls back and stops on its own. So that's how it works. So we'll just really quickly just test this out. This is a can of garbanzo beans. So what I'm gonna do is just slide it on the edge here. And then what we'll do is we'll just hit the start. And it's doing its thing, I think. Yep, and so then we press stop, and then it stops on its own. And actually, it'll actually hold the lid in place. That's pretty cool. So no issues there. It does have edge here, but it did cut underneath the edge of the can, so the lid, it basically has a lid there. But always be careful with these because it could be potentially sharp. But no issues there. The one thing I did notice is that it is a little bit wobbly. It did wobble a little bit back and forth. So what I would recommend is just hold the can while you're using this. But that's a really cool feature of being like a one-touch. Press the button and it works without any problems, and it actually holds the lid in place, which is pretty cool. So that's really all I have for this video, but this is the Royalsellpro Electric Can Opener. You can currently get it on Amazon for $25. or $24. And based on this functionality, it does the job as far as opening cans without any issues. And I really don't have any complaints as long as it works and it does the trick. You really can't go wrong with this. But hopefully this is helpful. If you have questions, post them below. But thanks for watching and have a great day.